Hello everyone, welcome to Carnivorous Plants Hub. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Spider Farmer Glow 80 bar style grow lights. I unboxed these 36 days ago. I gave you my initial impressions and showed you a little bit of the setup. So I want to do a quick recap of that today and then show you how they've been working for me. Stick around to the end of this review. I'm going to show you the impact that these lights have had on my Venus flytraps in just 36 days. The results were actually quite unexpected. In the box, you can expect to get two Spider Farmer bar-style grow lights that are about 4 feet long each. You get a total of 4 rope ratchets to hang your lights from the top. You also get some zip ties to help make installation much easier. It comes with one main power cord, which is all you need since these daisy chain to each other. As a nice surprise, it also comes with a digital timer. This is great. It's always something that I need, but always something that I forget to get. It's a really nice addition, and I'm glad that these come with a timer. There are also these metal rods, which are used to snap on the light and help you hang them vertically. If you need to hang these lights vertically, this is something that'll really help you out. It's also a really nice addition. It also comes with a great user manual, complete with safety instructions, technical information for the lights, and how to install the lights with different included accessories. The Glow 80 full spectrum grow lights come with 2 sets of 4-foot long lights that have an output of 40 watts each. They use high efficiency diodes that have 5200 lumens of output. They emit a sun-like output that consists of 5000 to 5500K white, 3000 to 3500K warm light, and 650 to 660 nanometers of red. Spider Farmer also offers a 5-year warranty with their lights, which offers you a really nice peace of mind. For me, the setup was actually a snap. I attached them to the bars on the top of my grow tent with the rope ratchets and some zip ties. I used the zip ties since my bar was just a little too big for the carabiners on the rope ratchets. The zip ties make it super easy to slide and adjust if I need to. I use the button on the rope ratchet to slide the bar up and down. They're super easy to set up and really easy to adjust when needed. And real quick, before I show you the results, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to pour some water on the like button and subscribe to help my channel grow. My dream has always been to start my own carnivorous plant nursery, and I finally made some progress on this by opening my own store. I'm now selling premium pre-rinsed carnivorous plant substrate. This would be great for Venus flytraps, sundews, Sarracenia, and other types of carnivorous plants. I'm also selling a special soil mix for peas. I've also just started selling peas and plan on adding more live plants here really soon. I also have premium planters and other carnivorous plant accessories, so head on over to my website to help support the channel and my dream. Also, if you're in the market for live carnivorous plants that I'm not selling, make sure to head on over to California Carnivores. They're the most knowledgeable and experienced carnivorous plant nursery in the world. They have a huge selection of carnivorous plants, even in the wintertime. Also, to get 10% off your order, enter Bug Eater at checkout to get an exclusive discount. There's a link in the pinned comment and the description. When this video is over, head on over there and pick yourself out something you'll like. You know you deserve it. Okay, now what you've been waiting for, let's talk about the results. I put these lights about 8 inches away from my fly traps, which ended up being just a little bit too close. As you can see from the fly traps that I'm showing here, some of them have turned really red and are just a little bit burned. These are the fly traps that I recently unboxed from Casey's Carnivores mystery box. That was only 2 weeks ago. I actually had to move the Spider Farmer lights up as these plants were just getting a little bit too much light. Right now, my lights are only on for about 6 hours a day. And as you can see, the lights are doing a great job of reddening up my plants. Even the Supernova and King Henry are turning a beautiful shade of red. Now, I will admit, going into dormancy isn't really the right time of the year for your plants to be turning darker red, but it makes me happy to see that these lights are powerful enough to be doing that. I just have to move the lights up a little bit and adjust how close they are to make sure that the plants aren't getting too much light this time of year. So far, the Spider Farmer Glow 80 lights have been incredibly effective. I'll be purchasing more of these lights as they're needed for the rest of the length of my shelf. The fact that they daisy chain together makes the setup so much easier for me. I do strongly recommend this light if you're in the need of bar lighting for shelves. Sometimes the cheaper lights you can get from Amazon can be a bit weak and don't do a great job of coloring up carnivorous plants like they should. These Spider Farmer Glow 80 lights have proved to me that in just 36 days, they're adequately powerful enough to use on my Venus flytraps and Sarracenia, both of which are extremely demanding when it comes to light requirements. If you're watching this around the time that I released this video, your timing is great. Spider Farmer is having some huge Black Friday and holiday sales going on right now through the beginning of December. I strongly encourage you to click the link in the pinned comment or description to head over to their website and see what their sale price is for these lights. It also might be a good time to score some other accessories or lights that you need for your carnivorous plant collection. I did make an unboxing and setup video for the Glow80 lights that should be popping up on the screen right now, if that's something that you're interested in. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel, and I'll continue to update you on these lights and all the other carnivorous plant shenanigans that I'm into. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye!